In the Amazon store, a single product listing can include offers from multiple sellers. Amazon selects which offers to feature in the offer display section of the product detail page, where customers can select Add to Cart or Buy Now. This placement is known as the featured offer. Amazon compares all eligible offers based on several competitive factors, such as total price and order experience. When no single offer is clearly more competitive, the featured offer may rotate among offers. Offers that are not featured still appear in the All Offer display, where customers can compare every available offer for that product. If a product comes in multiple variations, such as size or color, Amazon selects a featured offer for each variation separately. This means you can compete for the featured offer on any variation you list. The total price Amazon evaluates includes both your item price and any shipping fees. Prices on Amazon can shift quickly as other sellers adjust their offers. Rather than monitoring competitors manually, you can use Automate Pricing to set rules that adjust your prices automatically in response to featured offer changes. You set a minimum price for each product, so your prices never drop below a threshold that works for your business. You can match the current featured offer price, or set your price slightly above or below it. You can also use promotions or coupons to reduce the price customers pay without permanently lowering your listed item price. Use the Pricing Health page to check whether your offers are competitively priced and to see how often your offers earn the featured offer. Amazon evaluates your order experience based on your order volume, chargeback rate, and customer feedback. Consistently providing a great order experience can improve your chances of becoming featured. Make sure customers receive the correct item in the expected condition, matching what's shown on the product detail page. Keep in mind that your listing cannot compete for the featured offer if you are out of stock, so plan inventory ahead for products that sell quickly. To learn more, visit the Becoming the Featured Offer help page in Seller Central.